Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's go to the device unlock and tap on fingerprint and face unlock. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. If not, your device will ask you to add the screen lock right now, so do it, choose pattern, pin or password, and then you will be transferred to the same step, so here. Then let's tap on the fingerprint. And here we've got the information of how to set up the fingerprint, how it works, and that you're in control, and you have to keep in mind that your device can be unlocked when you don't intend to. So I highly recommend to read it and then tap on I agree. So here we've got the instructions, and basically all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button on the right side of our device. So basically just put it on it, and now we have to either do it multiple times to add our fingerprint fully, or we can try to roll. So just place it and move it around the power button, and I think it's much faster. So the fingerprint has been added. We can add another or just tap on done. And this is our fingerprint section. That's the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, and obviously add another fingerprint. So let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.